Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards, one blow from caving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under screens but no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you, 'cause there's a spark in you, you just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night, like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em why you work. Make 'em go as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em go. You're gonna leave them running out. You don't have to feel like a wasted space. You're original, cannot be replaced. If you only knew what the future holds after a hurricane comes a rainbow. Maybe a reason why all the doors are closed, so you could open one that leads you to the perfect road. Like a lightning bolt, your heart will glow, and when it's time you know, you just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night, like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em why you work. Make 'em go as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em go. You're gonna leave 'em running out. Boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon, moon, moon. It's always been inside of you, you, you. And now it's time to let it through. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em why you work. Make 'em go as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em go. You're gonna leave 'em running out. Even brighter than the moon, moon, moon. Boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon,後悔のないように、誰かに怒れるように生きてみようだなんて奮い立つのはいいけど、ストレスがあっても耐え抜くことこそが美学だなんて言うなら、ここで一息つこう。競争の義務はない、リングもコースもない。だからこそ手にする幸せもあるんだろう。50パーで行きたいのにね、100じゃなきゃダメなんて、いつ教わったんだっけ。
はせめて未来を表現にしようの巻とかどうでもいいよ自分のやりたいことだけなく続けて競争の義務はないリングもコースもないだからこそ手にする幸せもあるんだろう50パーで生きたいのに目は100じゃなきゃダメなんていつ教わったんだっけと我に返って割とすぐにまた間違えてを繰り返してすり減るまで灰になるまでなぜかねてかきっと背負い込みすぎていないでも殺したいわけじゃない自分の体への問いかけを忘れてはいけないそういうことみたい心の肩こりを緩めたならさ改めて今日から俺らは50%でホルモン腸の関係ジャンク疲れの自律神経いたわって熱い吐くて全体気をつかんで休んで